In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detectors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Deus 2 Metal Detector. The XP Metal Detectors brand presents the world's first fully wireless fast multi-frequency FMF metal detector, designed for versatile use across various terrains. This innovative device features advanced technology, including headphones that utilize a proprietary radio protocol for 10 times faster wireless connectivity than traditional Bluetooth. Users can select from 12 factory programs or 49 single frequencies ranging from 4 to 45 kHz for precise detection. With an impressive waterproof capability of up to 20 meters, 66 feet, and a shockproof design certified IP68, this detector is suitable for diverse environments, including land, beaches, and underwater treasure hunting. Additionally, it offers rich audio options with a comprehensive sound library and a 4-band equalizer, allowing users to customize their audio experience for optimal performance. Number 2. MINELAB Gold Monster Detector. The MINELAB Gold Monster is a sophisticated metal detector designed for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters, weighing 6.6 pounds and made from durable plastic. It operates on battery power and features advanced technology with a 45 kHz VLF and a 24-bit signal processor, enhancing sensitivity to gold nuggets while minimizing noise and false signals. The detector is fully automatic, providing users with automatic noise cancelling, ground balance, and sensitivity adjustments, making it easy to operate. It also boasts improved discrimination capabilities for precise detection in salty soils, is waterproof up to 3 feet, and utilizes a user-friendly touchpad interface that includes a gold chance indicator and multiple detection modes. Additionally, its adaptable telescoping shaft accommodates users of varying heights, making it versatile for different searching environments. Number 3. OMMO Metal Detector. The OMMO Kids Metal Detector is a fun and engaging tool designed for children aged 3 to 12. Featuring a playful azure color with an animated puppy and bones on its LCD display, this battery-powered detector encourages outdoor exploration and treasure hunting, allowing kids to discover buried coins and other treasures up to 4 inches deep. It boasts an adjustable stem that accommodates various heights, ensuring it is suitable for both boys and girls. Weighing just 1.24 pounds, its lightweight and portable design make it easy for young adventurers to carry and use. The detector is made from child-safe acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material and is easily assembled in 3 simple steps, promoting hands-on skills while encouraging family bonding. The package includes a 9V battery, a plastic shovel, and a plastic rake, making it an all-inclusive gift for budding treasure hunters. Number 4. Fisher Gold Bug 2 Detector. The Gold Bug 2 represents the second generation of ultra-high-frequency metal detectors specifically designed for prospecting gold nuggets. Featuring the highest operating frequency on the market at 71 kHz, it excels in sensitivity, enabling users to detect even the smallest gold items. The device includes advanced features like ion discrimination to filter out unwanted trash targets and hot rocks, as well as a 3-position mineralization switch for effective operation in highly mineralized soil. Built for durability, the Gold Bug 2 is resistant to dust and moisture, enhancing its reliability in various environments. Its lightweight design, only 2.9 pounds, and convertible mounting options, along with quartz crystal locked electronics and customizable ground control, make it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced prospectors seeking to maximize their gold finding capabilities. Number 5. Noctis Simplex Lite Metal Detector. The Noctis Simplex new generation metal detector is a cutting-edge, waterproof device designed for both underwater and land use, capable of operating at depths of up to 16 feet, 5 meters. Weighing only 2.6 pounds, 1.2 kilograms, it features a well-balanced design that allows for extended use without fatigue. Its user-friendly interface and single menu design make it easy to operate, while the integrated LCD backlight, keypad backlight, and LED flashlight ensure visibility in low light and underwater conditions. Additionally, the retractable shaft extends convenient portability, collapsing down to 25 inches, 63 centimeters, for easy storage and transport. The device vibrates upon target detection, making it accessible for users with hearing impairments. Regular firmware updates can be seamlessly performed via USB on a PC, ensuring users can benefit from the latest enhancements.